Where's Charles? At home. I miss my car. I miss my car, actually. FB turn. For Jancy, thank you. I bought cheese. Shucks, hindi ako kumuha ng ano. I didn't get tissue. I want who? Nag-e-echo? Huh? Oh my god. Anong tissue? Wait. Uy. Hindi ko siya mahanap here, si Rika. What did you feel when you saw her? No, I didn't expect her to come. As in, during the show, when I walked, I didn't know she was there. I didn't see her. As in, I saw her after the show. Yeah, I didn't see her. So after the show, wait lang. After the show, as in after I walked out of the venue, Eros told me she was there. Nessa's there. And then ayun, biglang I went there again. sa place. And then, I went inside and watched. Now, at first, we were sitting on the same row. Ayan na. Ba't gusto mo akong makausap? Ha?
Tignan mo ang chika ng mga people talaga, very wrong. Baliktad.
Why?
Sabi nila, ikaw daw yung nag-i-invite sa akin.
Ay, hindi kita mahanap.
Hindi kita mahanap eh. Yan yung nagtagpo na tayo.
Tapos ka?
Ako naman, ikaw.
Ay, English daw.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
What are you eating?
Sausage. Ano ba? Rika, kamusta?
Okay naman, masaya. Ikaw?
We sold out do yung yung fan meet ni Nessa.
Kaya ano ba? Gusto mo ba talaga?
Wala na ako ticket sold out, diba?
Gusto mo ba?
Kayo?
Ano kayo? Ikaw? Ano gusto mo?
Ano siya? Ask her if I can come.
Bakit naman hindi? Hindi, tatanong ko siya. Ngayon na ba?
Ha?
Ngayon na ba?
Andyan ba siya?
Wala eh. Nag-live ako eh. Wait, message ko.
Ay, yabang talaga. Yabang.
Para masagot mo na kung pupunta ka o hindi para magawan ko ng paraan.
Wag na. Moment niya yun eh.
Sure ka?
Actually, yung iniisip ko, syempre, yung fans gusto parang yung attend sa kanya lang.
Edi,
Ayaw ko ma-interrupt. Yeah.
but if ever mag-change yung mind mo, message mo lang ako. I'll try to help.
So, siya na lang bahala kung gusto niya. Pero ako okay lang naman.
Sige. Try ko din tanong.
After na lang ba?
Until when ka dyan?
December 5. Bakit?
Wala. Tinanong ko lang. Ask mo na, anong itatanong ko? Bakit big deal sa kanila yung photo mo sa sa bed?
Hindi ako yun.
Ano yun?
Si Eros.
Pero short hair siya, di ba? Immortal thing.
It wasn't me.
Sabi ko aesthetic.
Thank you.
It's art for me. Kasi iba yung iniisip niya eh. Ako aesthetic.
Wait lang. Yeah, si Eros.
Magaling ka na?
Di pa. Sunod-sunod nga yung ko. Alis ko. Kaya parang feeling ko hindi siya gumagaling. Pero, carry lang. Kaya
Pero
naman.
meron ka namang rest pagka uwi mo. Pahinga ka naman mo.
Yeah. Kamusta ka naman?
Masaya nga ako. Ikaw.
Wey, masaya ka. Why? Share.
Masaya ako kasi
Single ka ba?
single pa.
Okay, single ka pa rin.
Mm. Meet muna kami.
May date na ba?
Meron na.
Weh? Oh, shit. Congrats.
Yeah.
Ay! Malapit na ba?
Hindi pa masyado.
Pero araw-araw kayo nag-uusap?
Mm-mm.
Weh, as in parang mag-jowa na kayo.
Oo, yun yung pag-uusap namin last time eh, parang basically parang mag-jowa na pero iba din kasi yung connection in person, di ba? So, gusto din namin ma-feel din yun. May connection ka bang na-feel?
Ah?
Sa ano, sa fashion week, I mean, yung connection mo sa model mo.
Wala akong na-feel na connection sa models. Alam mo, loyal talaga ako, no?
Ano lang, ano?
Ha?
Grabe nga. Sana all.
So fair, I would say.
O din, parang napansin ko nga. Ako loyal din ako.
Eh, shit, ang sarap. Ay,
Ano
brand
yan?
bawal dun?
Potato chip.
Pati yung brand bawal, no?
Ay, wag na. Baka maano ka, warningan.
Huh?
Baka ma-warningan ka, mahigpit sa TikTok. Tapos nasa live mo pa ako, alam mong favorite ako ng TikTok.
Ah, okay. Ah, ba.
Ano daw? Nagtatampo ka daw?
Me?
Oo, sabi nila.
Fine. Ha?
Ha?
What?
Sabi nila, nagtatampo ka daw.
What?
Faithful si Sid.
Anong selos? Why?
Tignan nyo yan, kayo talaga. Gawa-gawa kayo eh.
Nagsiselos? Why?
Bukod din sa mga yan.
Ah. Kasi she was watching you, not me.
Do you get deja vu? Okay lang yan.
May interfans daw. English.
Okay. So,
No, I'm not jealous.
she's just playing around. Ay, nakita ko yon. Nakita ko yon.
Joke lang.
Ano ka ba? Sa akin ka pa ba magsiselos?
Kahit na.
Ayan.
Anong topic nyo kanina?
Ay. Tungkol sa araw niya.
Panit?
Hindi, tungkol sa araw niya. Tsaka kakagising lang daw niya. 30 hours daw siyang gising.
Ba't
Ano
daw-
pa ba? Ewan ko, hindi ko natanong eh. Tapos, yung sa height.
Hmm?
Yung height joke.
Kahit namin?
Height ko.
Ah. Hindi ako na topic.
Hindi naman.
Why kaya? Sharing.
Pero last time, na-topic ka namin.
Why? English daw, B.
Okay. Wait.
Wait.
No, cause Jancy was asking me if we talked about her a while ago when Nessa is in my life. I told her that no, but last time we're together we kind of talk about her, but about the joke that I did before in her life, and I explained it to her, and then she suddenly just jumped into the joke, and she said, "Introduce me to her," and I said, "Okay."
Ah! Mm,
So
yes. Okay. Did you know that she was coming or no?
no, but I had an idea. I'm
How
just not sure if he's coming. Ah,
are you by though?
me? Yes.
How how have you been, sabi?
Ikaw yan.
She knows yung Lou and Eros, they didn't know at all. She
I
was,
actually didn't know. I didn't know, but I have an idea, kind of, but that's it.
actually, me too. Kinda.
Yeah, di ba? Parang,
You know why? Kasi there was a time, like, there was a video of her na parang someone asked, "Are you coming? Are you coming to the fashion show?" And she was like, "No, I'm booked, ganyan, ganyan." Parang, she was very,
okay.
anong tawag doon?
Uh,
Yung
defense.
defensive, very defensive. Yeah, she was very defensive. Nauutal pa siya nun eh. Parang ang dami niya sinasabi.
Surprise ka naman.
Yeah. Hindi ko nga alam. But like, actually, when I walked, I didn't see her at all.
Ah, pag nakita mo siya, ano kaya? Kinabahan ka? Hindi naman.
No. No, when? Nung nag-walk? When I walk? Ah, yeah. Ang funny. Ang funny kasi, di ba? Wait. Di ba nga, I didn't see her when I walked. I found out lang na nandun siya after the show. So, when I found out that she was there, I watched. Kahit na hindi naman talaga ako mag-watch. I went
That's why.
inside. Yeah, I went inside. And then, at first, we were on the same row. Same seat. Same row. So, I can't really see her. So, I asked my team, let's go there. In front of them.
Oh, did you actually, like, talk to each other at least?
No.
Why?
No. We didn't get a chance to talk. So I was in front of her with my team.
Mm-hmm.
And ayun, that's it. For like 20 minutes.
Very challenge yan.
Yeah. Para kaming mag-classmate, ganun. Para kaming nasa classroom. As in, ganun yung feeling. As in talaga. Parang feeling ko kami, yung classmates na nagpapapansin sa isa't isa. Ay, kahit ako lang.
Pero sinabi niya naman din sa live na nahihiya siya, di ba? Like, sinabi niya ata sa group siya na she's overwhelmed every time she makes a call.
Yeah.
But you were so brave in the lives recently, huh?
Ha?
You were so brave in the lives recently.
Really?
That's what she told me in the live last time. That you were saying a lot the moment you reached Thailand.
Mm. Yeah. He was kinda shy during the fashion show.
Sayang naman, dapat nag-usap na kayo.
Ganda niya, B.
Diba?
Although, I didn't see her ng close up. Like, ang layo, medyo malayo kami. Pero ang ganda niya.
Tapos ang tangkad niya, no?
Nakalakita eh. Nakaupo ko the whole time. Yeah.
Sa Latram. What?
Alam mo ba?
Hmm.
You know what our conversation after?
Hmm.
Secret! Ay,
Okay. Pinag-overthink mo yung mga people, ha?
wala. Sobrang... Wala lang.
Maybe here, we can talk. Hi, Georgia.
I bought Ferrero.
Auntie is asking, why didn't you talk after the show?
Huh?
Why didn't you talk after the show?
Why didn't we talk after the show?
Yeah, Auntie is asking.
Kasi I celebrated with my team.
Because she celebrated with her team, Auntie. Not me translating it.
Yeah.
Oh, they're saying that Nestle's there?
Really? She's here? She's not.
She's not, people.
Where?
Ay, Jancy.
Hmm? Oh!
First one na.
Alam mo, nakita ko yung reaction mo dyan. Super cute.
God. Nag-order pa ulit ako isa pa.
Did you like it?
Yes, super. I actually told my friends a while ago about it as well. And then, we were talking about it and then like, I'm gonna speak in English.
Huh?
And then like, parang yung friend ko, hindi Tagalogin ko na lang. Like, yung friend ko, nahirapan ako yun. Sabi niya kasi, alam niya na daw yun before, pero parang, akala niya, parang normal lang, ganyan. And then I told her, no, it's actually so nice. So, sabi niya, sana pala nung simula pa lang na alam ko na yun, bumili na daw siya. And then, nag-order siya kanina para sa sa upcoming trip niya.
Wow, thank you.
It's actually so nice, ang ganda.
Wait, walang bola.
Wala talaga, I swear.
Thank you.
Galing mo, Lods.
Hello, Kateki.
Sorry guys, I was just telling her about how happy I am with my new CF. I mean my first CF jacket, sweater,
Nessa, are you here?
They're saying she's there. That's why they're asking me to speak in English.
Really? Nessa, it's so cold here. Come. It's so cold.
What do you need daw?
I need you.
Woo! Tapang. Naol.
Uy, ikaw nga yun eh. Tapang ka nga daw eh. Nagpapaturo nga ako. Dapat eh.
Chat mo na kasi, kausapin mo na sabi mo, I like you.
Ha?
Sabi mo, I like you, gano'n. Kung gusto mo siya talaga. Diretso na, gano'n. Yan ang paligid ka.
Ganyan pa ba?
Hindi.
He's gone, sabi.
Pa pwede ako at first.
Killer.
I mean, like, take your time.
Nipin
Ano
na.
oras mo dyan?
Ha?
Ano oras mo dyan?
What?
What time is it there?
I don't know. Parang 1 hour advance. Training.
Grabe mo. Parang hindi ka na nagpapahinga.
4 a.m. Ah, so 5 na dito? Ah, 4 pa lang yun.
You still get to have enough rest or sleep.
Actually, ngayong this trip, supposed to be parang chill lang. So, yeah. Just having fun. Relax lang. After this, ang dami ko na naman gagawin.
Hi. Kailan kaya tayo magkikita?
Pag uwi niya, ay, ano ba? Gina G. Nasa, if you go here, do you wanna hang out? You wanna hang out with me? With me only or with friends? Ay, sorry. Sorry. Okay, with friends.
What did you say?
Hmm?
What did you say?
I'm asking if she wants to hang out with me. With me only or with friends?
She answered already.
I think she left. She's not here though. Yeah, as a bestie.
As a bestie.
Ano sa Telegram daw?
CF ba yung suot mo? Oh! New collection?
Galing siya sa runway.
Nice.
She wants to ride them. Like cloud car. May gusto akong ihirit pero wag na lang.
Ilabas mo yan. Mahirap yung pinitin.
Ayoko yun. Huwag na, huwag. So, kailan yung punta niya dito? December 15?
13.
Hmm?
13 niya.
Hmm? 13? Oh. December 13, nandito na siya. And then, yung fan meet December 15. Ang aga.
Bakit?
Ano ba ngayon?
3? 3.
What are they talking about? Sorry. We were talking about my stuff. Ang aga pala, December 13. Philippines na siya.
For the time, guys, please wait for the announcement. Because I think some of the people are going to the airport.
Who's with her?
I actually don't know, but I think she's going alone, and then like the arrow is going separate. I don't know if they will have a same flight. So, but for the management kasi, pinasa lang lunok. Diba? So, but I think the arrow will be here 13 as well, if I'm not mistaken.
How about not?
Not as well, yeah.
He's coming?
Hmm.
Ooh.
So na yun, kitang-kita tayo.
Ha?
Kita-kita tayo. Hindi na tayo online friends.
Wait lang.
Happy birthday.
What are you thinking now? I'm thinking ang dami kong ganap. By that, huh?
By that time?
Yeah. Pero ano ba plan? Ay, till when siya here?
Hindi pa sure eh. Open ticket. Ganun.
Hindi pa siya book?
Book na pero open ticket siya. Parang
Depende.
Yeah.
Oh. The F1 event, Dad. No. Yes, paisip ako.
Bakit? Anong sabi ng kasa?
Iinom ba kayo? Are you guys gonna drink? Huwag ka tumatawa. Nakakainis. Nakakainis. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Saan kayo iinom?
Dun sa event niya, pwede na mag-inom yun.
What time yung event?
5.
5 until?
Probably like 9 to 10.
5. So,
Sabi ko na meron ka pang gustong sabihin. Ano ba yun?
Where do you wanna go after?
Chat na lang kita.
Hatid ko siya. Ako hotel ba siya?
Bakit? Minsan natatakot na talaga ako magsalita sa ganito.
No, kasi for sure, you're gonna be super tired after.
Naging considerate, oh.
And you know, it's so hard to book Grab at around 10 p.m. For sure. Right?
Unfortunately, we have a van and a driver.
Sino ba yung nagrenta ng van na yan? Ang gigigil ako.
But who knows, maybe she wants to try the Mustang. So, what's the name?
Ha?
Ano pangalan ng ano mo? Charles.
Cancel van. I miss Thailand.
Thailand? So,
Ha?
okay, if you say so, that you miss Thailand. I miss Nessa, you know, honestly.
Oh.
How about you?
Um.
Naglalag siya, guys.
I miss her too. But, ilang days na lang ba? 10?
Yeah.
Ipadampot niya na nga yung driver ng van. Yun pa rin yung iniisip. Yun pa rin yung iniisip. Kayo na bahala, bigla. Clear your schedule. If she wants to hang out with me,
Why don't you ask her?
ano? Siyempre ba? No, kasi for sure, may plan siya, right? So, with you guys. I don't wanna interrupt. Gusto niyo ba ako na lang mag-drive ng van?
Yun pa din, nandun pa din siya.
Hindi pa din tapos.
I asked her a while ago if she wants to go to, what's that? Spaces Manila?
What?
Spaces Manila, yung sa Conrad.
Ano yun?
It's like, interactive art museum.
Ah, butasin daw yung gulong.
Sabi, pati ba naman sa pagdadrive silver medalist? Grabe sila, oh. Ay, talaga, guys.
Okay lang, silver medalist. Pinuntahan naman sa fashion show. Ha?
Ano kayo ngayon? Ngayon kayo magyabang.
Wala, meron na akong ipagmamayabang.
Tama.
And she told me,
Mamaya may anxiety na yan sila. Kaka-overthink.
saka she told me I'm small. Painit. She told me I'm cute daw.
Tangkad na kasi din talaga. Okay lang, mas maliit naman ako sa'yo. Okay na yun.
Yeah, she told me I'm cute. Right, Nessa? Are you here? Back up naman, be.
Nasa? Is she cute? Inulit lang. Kaya mo na yan. True. Kaya mo na yan, Tol.
Sana medyo matagal siya dito.
Sana.
Insane niya.
Hindi ko kung kasi yung work niya. So,
Ang hilig nila, she's here. Kahit wala naman, paso.
kaya mo kasing ma-check yun sa guest.
Paano ba?
Yung guest sa baba.
Wala naman. Kung sino yung parang nasa top 10, tama ba?
Oo, sa guest ha, sa baba. Oo, kung sino yung pina-follow mo, tsaka pina-follow ko, mas una mo silang makikita.
Ah, she wanted to visit Palawan in Boracay daw. Really ba? May ganun ba siyang plan?
This trip, parang hindi kasi kaya ng time. Coding daw yun.
Why can't you ask her out? Depends. It depends on her schedule. And if she wants to hang out with me, I'm not sure if she wants to hang out.
Oo. That's what she wants din kasi this time. Kasi she wasn't able to explore Manila. Maybe next time yung beach trip niya.
Uy, pag uminom kayo, sabihan niyo ko.
Kanina mo pa gustong sabihin yan eh.
Ha?
Kanina mo pa gustong sabihin yan eh.
Hindi, doon ako sa kabilang table. Bakit? Kunwari.
Oo, tama.
Ah,
Sabi niya alcoholic ka daw.
ha?
Sabi niya alcoholic ka daw.
I know.
Pero siya din naman daw. Siya din daw. So, it's a tie.
Depends lang on my mood. When I come back in the Philippines, I won't be anymore.
Wow. Recorded yun ah.
Sa ano na, pag nakita-kita tayo. Sure yarn. Uwi na nga ako. It's so late na. Yeah. Ba't parang na-mute? Hello? Na-mute ko. Ha?
Naririnig kita.
Naririnig mo ko? Ah, okay.
Ayan. Ako ba to? Ako ba ang may problema dito ngayon? Okay. May router ako dito eh.
Kasi mag-hi ka naman. Mag-hi ka naman.